If you're looking for a shop you can really trust with your car, we are taking you to a local favorite in El Cajon. Find out why so many San Diegans trust their expert team. Plus, youth sports has become a billion-dollar industry. I'm Ashley Jacobs, and the Localist SD is live right now. From routine maintenance to big repairs, finding an auto shop you can count on makes all the difference. We are taking you to West Automotive in El Cajon to see why so many drivers trust their team. Brian, it is nice to be out in the garage with you. The guys are working hard behind us. Today we're in El Cajon. What do you love about this location?
El Cajon's a super cool location. Like I said, it was our second location. You probably heard me say that before when we spoke. You know what? This is a very busy location for us. Most of them are pretty busy, but this one's been extremely busy. We have a lot of great clients out here. We take care of a lot of great folks. As you can see, the shop is full. They're moving away on everything that we got going. So working on hopefully a lot of preventative stuff to prevent clients from coming in with major repairs, but we do see quite a few major repairs too.
Well, let's talk about that routine maintenance. Let's try to keep everybody safe on the road and away as long as possible. So what should they be doing?